What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane and you're welcome to Jane by Design. In this video I'll be showing you how to attach a zipper to your zipper fly extension on your pants. If you want to learn how to do this, watch this video to the end. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, put on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you're an OG, welcome. Thank you once more. I appreciate you. Thank you for all the likes and the comments. Now moving forward, I have cutouts of my pants. If you've not seen a video on how I drafted a female pant with a zipper fly extension, I'll be leaving the link in the description box so that you can check that out and come back and watch this. So on this pattern here, I have a cutout of a short from my pants tutorial, and I will go ahead and iron out my zipper fly. So when you iron your zipper fly open, you're going to have a crease line at the middle of each part of your fly, and the part of the crotch where I wouldn't need it to be open, I also stitched it up, all from the crotch extension down to where the zipper fly stopped. So on one part of the zipper fly, I ironed an interfacing on it just to give it some stability, and you can see when you open up that fly, you see the crease line that we have there. So on one part is going to be the shield and one part is going to be the guard. So the part that I ironed an interfacing on is going to be for the zip guard, and the part that doesn't have an interfacing on it would be the shield. So the part that I have an interfacing on it, I'm going to fold it over to touch that center line that we ironed previously. So I fold it over by 1 inch, and that will be where we'll be placing our zipper on. So after folding it over by 1 inch, I take my zipper and place it underneath that fold. All right, so I take your zipper, place it underneath that fold, and you can use your pins to just hold it down so that it doesn't move around. So now after you've done this, you're going to take it to your sewing machine, and you're going to be running a stitch from the top of the zipper down to where the zipper stopped on the zipper shield. So that's what I'll go and do now. So now I'm just sewing down the zipper to my fabric. Just make sure that as you sew along on that line, you don't sew on your zipper teeth, just so that you don't damage the zipper or you damage your sewing machine. And also, as you are sewing, make sure that you take out the pins that you use in holding down the zipper and the fabric together, so that also you do not break your machine needle. So here I am done attaching the zipper to the zipper guard. Also take note that I still have that crease line in the middle of my pants. So next up, after that, we are going to be fixing the other side of the fly to the other side of the zipper. So you can see one side of my zipper is already attached, and we need to attach the other side of the zipper. So in order to do this, I'm going to flip my fabric to the wrong side. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So you grab one part, the part of this fly that is not attached, you grab that part, and you grab your zipper that is not also attached. So you see one side of the zipper is attached and the other side is not attached. So the side that is not attached, you grab it and you're going to be attaching those 2 points. So but before I do that, I'll just go ahead and align the front of my center front of the trouser, just so that the overlapping stays nicely and smoothly. So you can use a pin to hold down this part, just so that when you sew, you know that your overlap is not going to be shifting, the zip guard is not going to be shifting, or the fly is shifting to the direction you do not want. So I use the pin to just secure that center so that it looks really nice and clean. So I'll flip my fabric to the wrong side. I will grab my zipper extension, that's zipper fly that is not yet attached, and I'm going to also grab my zipper as well, and I will be sewing the two of them together. Make sure you do not sew plus your main fabric. Okay, you're not sewing plus your fabric, you're only attaching these two pieces together. So I'll hold these two pieces with a pin, and I'm going to run a stitch from the top down to where the zipper extension stops at the bottom of the pant. So now the zipper is attached to the shield, the other side of the zipper that was not attached initially. It's now attached to the shield. So I'll be showing you what it looks like now. Next up, so this is what it looks like. You can see that the zipper is concealed, but we just need one more step to make sure that the the shield is not moving around on the pants. And to do that, you're going to be running a top stitch in front of your trouser. So you know that zipper fly shape that you usually see in front of pants trouser. So we're going to run that stitch on the trouser. The essence is just so that the shield doesn't move around and it stays in place. So I will just pin down my two front panels just so that the front line that I have, it's also aligning. The overlap stays where it's supposed to stay. That's the essence of my pinning down the front. So after I have pinned down that front, to make sure that the zipper fly and the shield are aligned together, I will take a chalk and just mark out that shape that I usually see in front of a zipper. So I'll just mark out that zipper fly shape that you see in front of your zipper. That's what I'm doing. But if you are not comfortable with marking on your fabric, if you can get the accurate shape properly, you can just go ahead at this point to do the top stitching without marking out the shape. But for beginners, I recommend that you just draw out the shape accurately so that when you place it on your sewing machine, you are going to be sewing exactly on the lines that you have marked. So I'm just here, I've marked my pattern, my lines on my fabric, and I'm just going to take that line and sew it from the top of the pants to the curve where the cuff is going to sit on at the fly. So that's what I've done here, and after that I'll be showing you what the zipper looks like. And here is the outcome. Here is the final look of it. You can see that the zipper is sitting inside the zipper fly. It's concealed, the shield is concealing the zipper, so it's not hanging outside. Now if you watch this video to this point, please subscribe, share and like this video. And if you want to see more videos I have in store, do make sure that you put on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime I pop out a new video. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and remain positive wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.